Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a photo transparent in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make a photo transparent in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Pictures option. Then choose Picture from our file. Now I select a picture, then click Insert. Now we can see we insert a picture, then resize the picture and set in PS. Now we want to make this photo transparent. Click the photo and go to the Picture Format menu. Then go to the Format Picture. Then go to the Picture section and increase the transparency. Then click OK. Now we can see we make this picture transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.